Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I am Bharti. This is the first part of the yoga dance series in which we'll be doing this routine. Before we start, I would suggest you do a quick warm up of maybe a few cat cows, some twists, and downward dog. Once you have done that, let's begin.
Come into child's pose. Keep breathing and stay here for a count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then press into your hands and slowly roll up. As you take a deep breath in, start extending your arms and torso up and bring both hands together overhead. As you exhale, bring both arms down to your heart center. As you inhale, bring your left arm up, and as you exhale, bend laterally to the right side, gazing up at your left hand. Then as you inhale, start bringing the left hand down and bring the right arm up. As you exhale, bend to the left. Do this once more. Inhale, bring left arm up, and exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, bring right arm up, and exhale, bend to the left. Now let's do this in a flow from the top. Come into child's pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll up, extend arms up and bring them down. Bend to the right, then to the left, back to right and left. Very good. From here, bring your left hand to the outside of the right knee and twist to the right. Look over your right shoulder. Come back and twist on the opposite side. Repeat this for both the sides one more time. Then come back and do a big back roll with your shoulders. Let's do this from the top with music. Come to child's pose. Slowly roll up. Extend arms up and down. Side bends. Twists. And then the shoulder roll. Oh, very good. Now from here, we have to slide forward to come into a cobra pose. The way to do this is to first place both your hands in front of you and come into a tabletop position. Then you start lowering your chest down to come into a knee chest chin position. Then push into your hands and slide forward to lift your chest up and come into the cobra pose. Let's do this one more time. Come to Vajrasana. Place your hands forward to come into tabletop. Push your chest down to come into a knee chest chin and slide forward into cobra. From here, curl your toes in and then push up to come into downward dog. Then come onto your tippy toes and slowly roll forward to plank. Imagine as if each of your vertebrae is going over a speed breaker one at a time. Then come back to downward dog. Again, Slowly roll forward into plank. Let's do this segment from the shoulder roll with music. Come to Vajrasana. 3, 2, 1. Bring your hands on the ground and slide forward into Cobra. Curl to come to Downward Dog. Roll to plank. Back to Down Dog. And roll to plank. Now in the plank, make sure your shoulders are right above your wrists. Then start shifting your weight to the left hand and bring your right foot behind the left foot on the ground. Once you find stability, you can lift your right hand and come into side plank. If you're finding this too tough, you can place your right foot behind the left knee. Then bring your right arm down and start shifting your weight on the right hand and turn to the left to come into the side plank on the other side. Slowly come back to plank and then to downward facing dog. Let's do this segment from the shoulder roll with music. Bring your hands on the ground and slide to Cobra. Curl to come up to Downward Dog. Roll to plank. Back to Down Dog. Back to plank. Rotate up to right side to side plank. Then rotate to opposite side. Come to plank and then Downward Dog. Very good. Now let's stitch up the entire sequence from the top. Come to Child's Pose. Roll up. Extend arms up and then down. Bend to the side. Twist to the right. Shoulder roll. Slide forward into Cobra. Come to Down Dog. Roll to plank. Back to Down Dog. Back to plank. Rotate to right side to come into side plank. To the left side. And Down Dog. Awesome. Very good. That's all for today. I'll see you soon.